Let's be honest. Do you ever feel stuck when someone asks you about the weather in English? Maybe you can say, it's sunny, but what do you say next?
The weather is the easiest way to break the ice. But if you only know one phrase, the conversation stops quickly.
Exactly. Stay tuned. John and I will give you all the simple tools you need to keep that weather chat going naturally. Hello, and welcome back to Talk English Daily. I'm Emini.
And I'm John. Today, we are bringing you a super easy, super essential English lesson.
That's right. We're tackling the #1 small talk topic, talking about the weather with a friend. This is perfect for all our beginner English learners out there.
We promise, by the end of this episode, you will feel confident to start any conversation anywhere just by mentioning the sky.
Listen closely to this short, real-life conversation between us.
Wow, the weather is nice today.
Yes, it is. It's very sunny and warm.
I know, it's perfect for walking outside.
Totally agree. Do you think it will rain later?
The sky is clear. I think it will be sunny all day.
That was a simple, beautiful exchange. Now let's break down the most important parts for you.
We call this deconstruction time.
Key phrase 1. The weather is nice today.
This is your go-to opener. It's simple, positive, and instantly starts the chat. It just means the weather is good or pleasant.
This is informal or casual, perfect for friends, classmates, or colleagues.
And here are some easy ways to say the same thing. Try these alternatives. What lovely weather! A bit more enthusiastic, happy tone. It's a beautiful day. Focuses on the beauty of the whole day. The weather is great. Very simple and direct. Strong approval.
Nice! Now let's add details.
Key phrase 2, it's very sunny and warm.
This is how you give detail. Sunny means the sun is shining. Warm means the temperature is comfortable, not hot, not cold.
But what if the weather is not nice? Here are your simple alternatives. It's a bit chilly today. Chilly means lightly cold. It's so hot outside. Use so for emphasis. It's raining pretty hard. Hard means intense rain.
Let's move on to expressing what you can do in the weather.
Key phrase 3, it's perfect for walking outside.
You're telling your friend what activity is ideal for the current conditions. Perfect for means it's the best time to do that thing.
Practice these alternative sentences with us. It's good weather for a picnic. Say this when it's sunny and calm. I want to stay inside because it's cold. Expressing the opposite feeling. Let's go to the beach. The weather is fantastic. Very positive.
And finally, the crystal ball question.
Key phrase 4, do you think it will rain later?
This is how you ask for a prediction. Later means in the near future, maybe this afternoon or evening. Alternatives for asking about the future weather. What's the forecast for tomorrow? Asking about the official prediction. Will the sun stay out? A simpler way to ask if it will remain sunny. Do you think it's going to clear up? Use this when it's cloudy or raining. Time to train your mouth. This is your shadowing practice section. I will say the phrase slowly, and you repeat it out loud during the pause. Ready?
Let's go. Speak loud and clear.
1. The weather is nice today. 2. It's very sunny and warm. 3. I love this weather. 4. It's perfect for walking outside. 5. Do you think it will rain later?
One more time again.
1. The weather is nice today. 2. It's very sunny and warm. 3. I love this weather. 4. It's perfect for walking outside. 5. Do you think it will rain later?
Here is a quick Talk English daily tip.
Did you know that in English-speaking countries, talking about the weather is almost a social rule?
It's the most common form of small talk. It's a safe, neutral topic to start a conversation with anyone, a friend, a colleague, or even a stranger in line at the coffee shop.
It helps to break the ice. So next time you feel awkward, just say, "Beautiful day, isn't it?" You are speaking like a native. Okay, let's quickly review your top 5 key phrases from today's episode.
1. The weather is nice today. Your conversation starter. 2. It's very sunny, cold, rainy. To describe the condition. 3. It's perfect for, to suggest an activity. 4. Do you think it will rain? To ask for a prediction. 5. What lovely weather! Enthusiastic and natural. That's all the time we have for today, beginner English learners.
Your mission is to try these phrases today. And please tell us in the comments below, what's the weather like where you are right now? Practice makes perfect. If you loved this easy, practical lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Talk English Daily.
And make sure you come back tomorrow. We will have a quick English short video to practice our favorite phrase, what lovely weather.
See you soon!